Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond Infinity. Have you ever wondered, what is energy? Can it exist without matter? Is it just a number in equations or a real thing around us? Today, let's explore one of the deepest concepts in science: energy, what it really is, and whether it can live on without matter. In simple terms, energy is the ability to do work. It's what moves things, heats them up, lights them, or powers machines. But in science, energy isn't just electricity or fuel. It includes quite a few different types. There's kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion. Then, you've got potential energy, which is energy stored due to position. Thermal energy comes into play due to temperature. Light energy is actually electromagnetic radiation. Chemical energy, well, that's stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. And finally, nuclear energy comes from atomic nuclei. In short, energy is like everywhere, and it exists in so many forms. Here's the fascinating part. Matter and energy are, really just two sides of the same coin. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, shows us this. It tells us that energy and mass are interchangeable. Matter can be converted into energy like in nuclear reactions. And energy can create matter too. Just think about particle accelerators, where pure energy forms particles. So energy and matter are, well, deeply connected. Let's break it down. In many cases, energy needs matter to exist in a detectable form: heat in molecules, light from atoms, or motion of a mass. But here's the twist. Light, or electromagnetic waves, is actually pure energy. And interestingly, it can travel through a vacuum, where there's no matter at all. Gravitational waves, which are ripples in space-time itself, also carry energy without involving any matter. Dark energy, that mysterious force which is accelerating our universe's expansion, exists even though we don't fully understand its matter source. So yes, energy really can exist without matter in some forms, especially when it comes to things like fields, radiation, or even distortions in space-time. So, what's even more mind-blowing? Well, the early universe, right after the Big Bang, was actually a sea of pure energy. Matter came later. It was formed from that energy. So maybe, energy is the first thing that existed, and everything else, including you and me, is just energy, in a different form. So next time you turn on a light or feel the warmth of the sun, remember, you're interacting with energy. Well, the most fundamental part of reality. Like, share and subscribe to Beyond Infinity for more questions that challenge your understanding of the universe.